that time again. What time, you may ask? Food time, of course. Filled with cool and fun tricks for all your treats and eats. Wow, what a boring day. At least I have this drink. Okay, well, now what? Might as well look at some chemistry experiments. Hey, this actually looks pretty cool. This book is full of fun things to try. Hey, stop sleeping on me and look at this. Let's try it. You've got a drink and I've got Mentos. Here we go. Maybe that wasn't such a good idea. Yeah, maybe you're right. All right, let's try another one. Glue, huh? And soda? I don't know. We just did one with soda. Listen, it will be fine. Be adventurous. Okay. Hand me the glue. What glue? Oh, you mean this glue. All right, time to give this a try. Time to add this glue, just like the book said. I think that's enough. Wait, I have an idea. Let's add some glitter. Sure, why not? Science is always better with some sparkle. Now it's time to shake this bottle. Wow, I really have to shake this hard. Maybe I'm not shaking it right. Better try on this maraca. That's some good music right there. All right, that's enough shaking. Look, the soda changed consistency. Let's open it. Oh, weird. It's like a big blob. Look how it stretches, too. Touch it. What does it feel like? I want to poke it, too. Ew, it's all gooey and sticky. Yeesh, get it off. Hey, look at what happens when I do this. Gross, this experiment is creeping me out. Get away from me. I've covered your eyes so you can pick one at random. Hey, it's the Mentos and Coke one again. I've got the mints and the soda. What are you doing with that watermelon? We already did the trick, so now let's kick it up a notch. I'm just going to cut a hole in this watermelon. Perfect. This watermelon smells so fresh. Are you ready with your spoon? Time to scoop out all the watermelon. Wow, I ate a lot of watermelon. Hey, that's right, we were doing this experiment. Oh, right. Pour that soda in while I get out the Mentos. Huh, the watermelon can hold a lot of soda. Now it's time for the Mentos. Wait, remember last time? Safety first. In you go, Mentos! Whoa! It's like a fountain of soda! Is that all of it? It's all over your face! It's still bubbling up! Hey, it tastes really good. Try it! I'm not going to lick your face. You're ridiculous. Oh, snow globes are so pretty. Look at all that sparkly snow. I wish it was snowing here right now. Hey, look at this. We could totally make it snow. Oh my gosh, yes. Let's make it snow. All right, we both have our containers. Now all we need is our soda and cornstarch. Into my container you go, starch! Now to add the Sprite. Okay, it's fizzing up a bit. Wait, nothing happened! I want snow, not starchy Sprite! Whoa, look at mine! It's all snowy! No fair! How come yours worked and mine didn't? Come on, tell me how you did it! It wasn't even hard. I'll show you. I wasn't sure that regular old cornstarch would work. But you know what would work? A diaper! I just took a scissors and cut it open. All the way across the bottom. And then I dumped the filling into my canister. There was more than I expected. And then I added the Sprite. It turned into snow right away. Because diapers are made to absorb liquid. Voila! Okay, phew, I thought I'd made a mistake. Hand it over! But it turns out you totally cheated. Enjoy your snow experiment, cheater. Ah! Stop! You're pouring snow everywhere! That's what you get for not sharing your secret earlier. I want to pick the next one. You just picked one. It's my turn. Oops. That looks like it hurt. No, it didn't. I'm fine. We're going to do this egg experiment next. Look, I have the egg and vinegar right here. Okay, I've got a glass we can use. Ugh, why did I smell that? I don't want to smell it. Pour it in the glass. All right, time to add an egg. The next step is just waiting for the vinegar to work. It's definitely bubbling a lot. I think it might be done. Nope, not yet. Maybe we just need to wait a little more. This is taking so long. I'm awake. Oh, right, the egg. I'll check it. Yes, it's done! The experiment worked! Wake up! The egg's done! Don't just stick your hand in there! Use a glove! Safety first! Got it! I'll take it out. Weird! It's all squishy! Ooh, let me feel it! Look, it's bouncy too! Let's see what happens when we use a flashlight on it. Look, it lights up and glows! It's like a little eggy nightlight. I think it was our best experiment. Would you cut open a diaper to make fake snow? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to 123 Go Foods YouTube page for more great videos like this one.